Hello, students. How are you? Hope you all are doing great. I'm Priya Pandey, your coding instructor. So today we will see how you can install a Scratch software in your computer, tablet, desktop computer, or in your phone and tablet as well, right? And many of the students are also facing problem to install that particular software. So in this short video, I will explain you how and from where you can download the Scratch software for the basic coding course that we are going on with the beginner course for the sixth plus age group students, right? So today I will show you how you can directly, easily download the Scratch software. And one more thing, the end of the video, I will show you the best trick and the thing that is very useful for you or your students or your child who is learning a Scratch or any courses. So I will share my screen and show you how you can download the Scratch software. So first you need to go to the Google and you have to find out the latest version, or you can just type there the Scratch download. So when you type the Scratch download, okay, so now you have to do it for everyone, not only for me, and install. And here you can see my Scratch is installing in my computer. So it will take 2 to 3 seconds. So yeah, it's almost complete. So we have to wait the till time by. So here you can see my setup is already done. So when my setup is already done, you have to just check it that this thing. That means run Scratch. So when you finish it, your setup, that Scratch setup will open. So you have to click it finish and the Scratch software will open. So when the Scratch software will open, you will see that how your Scratch is looked. Okay, the software will look. So you can see my software is loading here. So yeah, so it's already successfully installed in my computer, right? And make sure you are focused that here, the top right corner, the Scratch version should be 3.2 onwards, not a less than that. Because if you guys have installed the older version, that means you are not able to access all the feature of the software or the project that I'm going to teach you. So make sure you are seeing this video properly, each and every step, and follow my instruction, because if you're not follow the each and every instruction and step one by one, you will get stuck somewhere and you will find difficulty to download and install at your in your computer, right? So make sure you are following my step and doing correctly. So this way you can install the software. So now the thing that you have to see the that revision, as I told you, the revision videos. So here I had uploaded my first that the video, the how you can install the Scratch programming and the Scratch software. Okay. And if you want to see the every step, the classes that held, this is the first lecture that you can see. If any of the student has business class, they can go and check it out of my channel. That name is the Coder Pandeyji. Okay, if you don't know, I will share the link with this Scratch software programming so that you guys can know. If you don't, and you have to subscribe my channel, here is the unsubscribe. So when you have, it will look like that. So you have to subscribe, because when you subscribe, so that you will get the at least the notification that I'm updating or uploading any new stuff, because every day I'm updating a new revision video that held in the class. So if your class is 5:30 to 6:30 of the beginner, that a course, the coding course for the beginner, so every day the lecture will be uploaded on this channel. So make sure you are also on the your bell icon. So you have to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification instantly, and you will get my all videos and update yourself by revision of every lecture. So this is one of the best platform I can say. So for your revision, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and successfully install the Scratch software. Okay, students. So thank you, everyone. See you soon.